for those IT teams who are watching this show, who are also running mission critical applications in the cloud, what should they be evaluating when they are looking at HS solutions beyond what their cloud providers offer?
The advice I would give to any IT teams looking is consider not only the ease of use of your high availability solution. Consider that when you really need to interact with your high availability solution, it's either going to be in a situation of downtime, a situation where you're performing maintenance or updates. But one way or another, it's going to be at a time where things need to operate smoothly. You don't want um, any unexpected issues, errors to occur, and you also want to make sure that it's an easy element of your process for whatever you're doing, whether it's maintenance or whether it's working to recover from an outage. So the first element I would recommend is look for that ease of use. Um, the other element, which may sound contradictory, but I really believe that they can go hand in hand, is that deep awareness in application, or in that deep application awareness of your high availability tool, to make sure that it's not just checking the box of starting the application, but making sure that it starts the application with all of its dependencies already met, so that when your high availability tool says your applications are running, you can be assured that not only are your applications running, but they're running in the capacity where they are available and serving the purpose required for the business.